What is this?
Give me a hug.
Emails,
She wants me to get the whole of it. Come on out, Grace. You've been in there for a while. It's time to get out. Come on.
Small dogs always...
All a kitten needs is a dog who tolerates their daily 20-hour nap schedule. Looks like someone is...
The beautiful little baby Eva. I love him. Oh, baby.
Huh?
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No mad.
Good boy, Kenneth.
You're literally throwing a tantrum right now. Come on.
Did you steal the Wi-Fi? Did you?
You're gonna fall. Stop! Stop!
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Oh, careful, 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 careful. I saved your life.
Look at him.
Hello?
Ow! No! No! Eh!
For smelling salts.
What's this? Oh!
presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
Our fox. Funky.
Come on. She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on.
A full-time job, and it's extremely time-consuming, and it's not as easy as it may appear to some people.
This is why you don't climb on the freaking counters. August.
What? What is going on?
These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
Presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
Not to let your cat pet you.
Guess who's turning an easygoing dude's laziness into their own personal source of value and comfort? This verbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
Literally.
Miss Johnson!
Stay. Oh, that's not very good, but you can have a treat anyways.
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
Para que empieces a fregar conmigo, Rospi. Todo el pinche de ayer me tuviste cagando.
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
Yeah.
Tucker, place.
Nova. Stop it.
There you go.
So chunky.
Really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.
Oh!
Are you happy, Kermit?
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
This. She flew right above you, huh?
I'm just sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
You get that?
Thank you, no.
Careful.
Hey!
Where are you going? Yeah, that.
Get it.
You don't belong in there.
Come on, Sammy, I'll let it go. Look what he has!
That stick is way too big, which is exactly why he wants.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
I told you it was a little kitty.
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep?
Are you serious? Like, I get you want me to pet you, but if you gotta be in my pocket, you're not gonna fit in my pocket, dude.
Being chosen by kittens isn't always a good thing because you basically become their bed instead.
Oh, you were gonna fall. Ah!
No! Hey! Hey!
Shalalabosha.
Who did?
Someone's like a toddler who played too hard and crawled back to parents for a nap.
No. You're evil. Evil, evil.
Pets really are like kids. You just can't love them any less.
What the just happened? Oh! Can you help me? Can you help me put that in there? Can we make it fit?
You guys think with that one?
Parece coche. Yo no sé por qué.
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to...
Stop hunting me. Why are you...
You jumped over these double big...
Everyone.
You're what?
Ryan.
But too dramatic to be casual teasing.
What are you doing?
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
Oh, you're gonna fall. Ah!
To your baby.
Oh, it's so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little... Ah, fuck you!
Come on out.
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you.
You got a brain cell today. Nope.
Mira el chichi. Está tirando pasito, ¿eh? Dale, gato, que suene. Vamos. Uno,
And oh, hello. Hello. Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Oh, I got her! Oh.
Look at this little kitten. Hey.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Și să-mi iei pliculeț cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită.
Ali. Ali. Oh no.
This guy somehow...
What? All that to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
What? What is going on?
Soft and bouncy terrains like this are always the go-to for fitness enthusiasts like cats.
God damn it, it's a brand new truck.
No wonder why babies develop stronger empathy and emotional expression with cats living around since early age.
Oh my god.
forget to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time, and stay awesome!
No! No!
Concert time with Little Orange.
You jumped over these double big.
Ma'am. Ma'am, that is not ladylike.
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
Huh?
Oh my god,
What is this? No, you stay there. What happened here?
Babe.
You're evil. Evil, evil. Oh!
Skeeter?
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
Buddy smoke.
It's pistachio ice cream. Oh my god!
Try not to let your cat pet you.
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
Did you steal the Wi-Fi? Did you?
I thought so.
Huh? Oh!
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
This.
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
What? What is going on?
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen.
Yeah!
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Hang on. Oh gosh.
So chunky.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
Okay. Yeah, that's a step.